What's happening? That's the question that many are asking, and I will try to find an answer for this in this video. Okay, this is the new situation. We had vents appearing and fissure eruptions appearing in this area. I marked them with the yellow circles, and they're in a line. My theory is that these are fault lines, and what we call as VIP hill is actually the other side of the faulted block that is visible. I try to show them on the diagram. This is the fault line. These are the bedrock practically, and you can see the fault line here, and the older lava on top of it and the new lava in the red is erupting. And this is the situation that I think is happening there. And these are blocks of the rocks, massive, huge. VIP hill is just the tip of that rock. That's the top of that area, visible out of the ground. Now it is covered partly around it. It's like an island. That is very common actually. We see it in everywhere that we have the Rift Valley. These things are common, or even the landslip. Here we have that example in the Rift Valley. That is another case of the practically mid-Atlantic ridge. As you can see, the blocks of rock move, they fall, an eruption happens in the fault line created. That's the story of the mid-Atlantic ridge as we know it. And in the surface, what we see is these fissure eruptions, new lava forming and creating a pool of lava. This pool of lava will eventually create new volcanoes in this area, new cones, new craters. The whole area is gradually moving toward the east. These are east-facing faults.